All right, good day. My name's Mike, and I want to leave a review for Jamal's watch and jewelry repair. And they are located right in the Flea Masters Flea Market in Fort Myers. First thing I want to say is I have about an almost 20-year-old Bulova watch, gold black with a lizard band that was actually dried out and cracked. Brought it over for repair, looking for a new band, possibly a new battery. I did get a battery and it didn't work. So Jamal actually took the watch apart, and he did notice that the battery had been sitting so long it actually leaked all the acid, destroying the watch. And there was actually, number one, I want to say no bench charge for that. So I appreciate that he showed me that the watch was pretty much destroyed by my own fault. I did get a little bit of watch education. He did say when you get a battery, just let it run, and as soon as it dies, get it quickly changed as soon as you know it's dead, and that actually avoids the watch leaking. Unfortunately, I did not know that, and now I've destroyed a watch that was a couple $100s that I bought almost 20 years ago. But I will definitely be going there for any watch repair, batteries, very decent price. Again, I was very impressed that he has all the tools there, ability to take apart any watch from luxury to just cheapy flea market watches, but very good stand located right in the flea market in Fort Myers. And again, I was very impressed that there was no bench charge for taking apart the watch and showing me the movement that was destroyed. Also gave me a couple of estimates, but at this juncture, the watch is old enough that I'm just going to use it as jewelry. Just want to say thank you, and I highly recommend going there. Thank you.